Shall we begin?
Right, that's Tony's RC Tech out. Boom.
Let's begin.
Hi guys, it's Tony from Tony's RC Tech. I hope everyone is safe and well and that with all this corona crap going on. Anyway guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. My first, as you can see on the description, Proline body. Right, so I've got that, yeah. And I'm finally, after 2 years or so, an unboxing table. LOL. So anyway, yeah, so I've got an unboxing table. I made this out of a pasting table, by the way, guys. A pasting table. Shorten the legs and everything. As you know, a pasting table's long. Only cost me a tenner. Anyway, let's get on it. Right. So anyway, guys, I put stickers on here as well. So I'll be showing you the stickers as well. You know what I mean? A bit of a shout out as well for the guys. So anyway, guys, so this unboxing. Right. So I can't afford Actuals or TRX4s. I will do one day, but not at this present moment. So you know, I am aiming, you know, to get one of them one day. But anyway, so I got this body sent to me by EuroRc, which is there, right? EuroRc. Now EuroRc has got plenty of bodies, plenty of cars, everything. They've got bodies, cars, parts, everything you need, right? So get onto their EuroRc.com. Get onto there, you know what I mean, guys? So anyway, I'm going to crack on with it, right? So I've got my knife and all that, right? So where's the box? Right, so where's the box? This is one take, by the way, guys. Can't be bothered with all take after take after take. Just one take, right? Oh, by the way, there's my sticker board there, guys. There's my sticker board, right? There you go. There's one of my stickers, full. That's why I've had to put it on the table. So anyway, guys, here it is. I am so excited. I have not unboxed it, by the way, not unboxed it. So when you see it, I see it, or when I see it, you see it. So I'm excited here, guys. And you probably guess what the body is going to go on. Fingers crossed that, you know, it does go on. You know what I mean? I don't know. I've done the measurements and all that. I've got my tape measure and all that to measure the body and everything for you guys. Oh, I've got a knife as well from Whitby Knives, which is nice knife. I'll just show you that knife there. Right, okay, there's the knife there, guys. Nice. Anyway, so right, here we go. Right. Ooh, I'm a bit nervous. I'm gonna open it up. Here we go. Oh, oh God, I'm nervous. Hang on, I don't even know how to open. I don't even know how to forget it. I don't even know how to close that because forget it. Right, so here we go, guys. Here's the body, and I can see. Wow, it's quite big. Oh, I've got stickers as well. I've got stickers. Right, let me put that there, guys. Right, so I've got EuroRc stickers here. There you go. Look at that. Wow. Pink ones. Wow, so these will go on the card as well. And there it is, EuroRc.com, guys. Get on it. Right, so yeah, so they sent me this. Can't afford it. To be honest with you, I couldn't even afford the Proline body. So, you know, thanks to them for giving me a chance to do this body. And it's my first Proline, first proper body as well. So I'll get rid of all that. Wow, can't wait. Right, so first time I've really unboxed a body, so right, get the wrapping off there, right, and then it comes with a magazine and all the decals. So I've had to set my camera up as well, guys, on a thing, so it's actually stuck, right, so I will actually, yeah, hang on, I'll open this up. Let me just open this up a minute. I've got my little action cam here, so I'll just put that on there, like that, right? So then I've got my action cam here, guys. So I'll just turn that on. Should have turned it on really first, shouldn't I? But never mind, see, one take, that's it, one take. So, video start. So anyway, guys, there it is there. So there's the decals there for the body and all that. And fantastic decals, and there's all the windows and everything to do all the windows and all what you need to tape out. Like on my previous body, I basically didn't have no windows or nothing, so I had to do everything myself. So yeah, so there's all the stickers here, all the decals, right? So I'll show you the body now, guys. So where's the body? Wow, here we go, look at that. Oh my days, absolutely fantastic. Right, so it's a flatbed body, as you know by the title. Absolutely fantastic. Now it looks quite wide and all that, so I'm going to get my measuring tape out and all that, and so I'll just get rid of that there. Right, so there's the thing, yo, and while I'm at it, there's some stickers there, guys. So I'll just spin that round there. I got DG, then you got Perth RC, then you got Paul Fulton, RC Boise Hobby Wing, and there's Tony's RC Tech, yeah. There's True Boys RC, Bristol RC, Mac Print, get on his thing, yo. He does loads of prints and all that, fantastic. RC Recreation, what is it? Recreation, whatever, FP. Anyway, right, enough babbling. Right, let's get the measurements done and all that stuff, right? So I'm going to turn this off now, and then I'll be back onto... Right, guys, yeah, so back onto me. Right, so here's the body here, guys. Again, I'll show you the body. I don't know what the quality's like with that, so there's the body there. Absolutely fantastic. I am really excited. You don't realise how excited I am to do this body. And also, with this body, I'm not going to be putting holes in, so I'm going to get magnetised, so the body just clicks in, yeah, and it's going to be more of a trail car as well. So I'll measure this body for you guys. So the body, honest to God, you want to see all the bodies they've got on there, EuroRc, guys, and they're not expensive either. So I think this is €52 or something like that. So I'm just my glasses are crap. Anyway, I think this is about just on 500 mil. No, it's not. Hang on a minute. 480 mil. I'll put all the details, by the way, the exact sizes in the description. So if you want to go in the description, I'll leave the exact sizes. So that's that. Wideness. Right, wideness is like 205, 210, maybe 210 mil for the wideness. Height of it, 150. Yes, I've done the width, haven't I? Oh, wheelbase. The wheelbase is, hang on, 320, 325, maybe 325. Again, I'll leave all the proper descriptions, yeah. So there's the measurements there, right? And obviously I'll just put this to one side a minute. And these stickers here, one of the stickers will go on here. Thanks very much, EuroRc. Right, so you've gathered that you know what car it's going on to. So the big question is, right, what's going on, which is the ravine, because I can't find it. I'm making my own cars. So here we go. Right, so this is the ravine, right? Again, you just won't believe the size of this car when it's actually in person. So let me just hope this fits. Wideness, obviously I've got the posts on here, which they'll be gone and all that stuff, but I'm just going to basically look at the wheelbase. So we look down, look down, look down. Oh guys, you know what, it's going to be perfect. I reckon it's going to be perfect. Bit of tweaking here and there, you know what I mean? And also, oh man, I can't wait. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. Again, I'm going to try and make it like a scale, so it's going to be like a trail. It's going to do some rock crawling, but not severe rock crawling. Now these wheels here are quite big. These wheels are quite big. That was my camera going off. So I'm not sure. See the way they're going to hit the thing, yo. But I've got an idea, which is bear with me. And I actually like the style of these wheels. I'll leave a description in the comments as well. And they're quite good wheels as well, good grip as well. I think they're only 20 quid, guys, seriously. They are actually quite good. And they went on this crawler here. So they went on this crawler here. Oh, Southpaw, forgot to mention Southpaw. And it's got a sticker there. And Anyway, right, so these wheels, I reckon will go on there, yeah, and then that body might be perfect then, you know what I mean? So, look at that, that's perfect, and it looks quite scale as well. So what I'll have to do with this though, because it's got quite high suspension, and the suspension is absolutely amazing. Obviously I'm going to lose flexibility, because I'm going to try and make it into a trail stroke crawl truck. So I'll have to get some shorter shocks to bring it more down, if you know what I mean. But it'll still have its flex. It'll still have its flex. So this car is just amazing. And I've also made a skid plate as well in the front here to protect the servo and whatever that's called, I can't remember. So yeah, so that's brilliant. Anyway, I've made a skid plate there as well, guys. If you have a look. Oh. So there's a skid plate there, guys. I've made there. I hope you can see here. And I made the skid plate there. You know, it'll do its job. And then obviously, look at that. Look at the flex on that. Unbelievable. Right. So as you know, I do love this ravine. And you know, again, I'm not dissing TRX or anything like that. I will get one day. You know what I mean? Because they are amazing cars, and actual amazing cars. Red Cats, amazing. You know what I mean? But at the moment, present moment, I can't afford it. I can only afford like little bits and bobs. Right. As me, you just won't know this, but my glow plugs have gone on my car. So that's costing me £340, but £340 for 2 glow plugs because they're censored. So that's going to knock me back again. So I've just got to try and see what I can do. I was hoping to get a mini crawler. I'll just see what my finances are. Still might be able to get the mini crawler, I don't know. But that glow plugs need doing, and that's just the way the car's starting okay and all that. But it's coming up on my dashboard, service, and it's pissing me off, to be honest with you. Anyway, guys, oh my God, I do ramble, don't I? Anyway, guys, there's the Proline body, right? Yeah, from EuroRc. Get onto their website, guys. They're absolutely fantastic. And again, I appreciate EuroRc for sending me this body to do and having faith in me. And I'll just show you this body, which obviously you all know, the Purple Beast. I done this off a £10 body. I had to do all the windows and everything myself. Take them all out and all that. I had to spray it. I done all the front myself there. I had to put the grille on myself, guys. Put the FTX Outlaw guys in there. And, you know, I don't know if you can see it, but I know you've seen this before, like, guys. But I've done a lot of work on that. And hopefully, fingers crossed, this is going to be easier because of all the window decals and all that stuff. And it's got the grille and all that stuff. So if I can do that off a £10 body, I can do this, fingers crossed. Right, so my next questioning, guys, right, and I really want to ask you this. What colour do you reckon I should do this? What colour do you reckon I should do it? You know what I mean? I just don't know what colour to do it. Right, so I'll leave, like, here's the pictures of the car when it's done and all that stuff and what it's look. That's why these wheels look like the ones on the picture. And I'll show you the pictures now. Here's the pictures. Right, can you see the pictures there, guys? Yeah? So there's one picture, there's another picture. Right, so there you go, there's another picture. Right, so that's why I'm thinking these wheels will look fantastic on it. I think they're going to be way too big. I mean, if they fit, they fit. I'll just see what they look like. I've got plenty of little wheels anyway, so I'll have a little bit of a mess about, see what it looks like. But I don't want it to look silly. I want it to look scale. I want it to look, you know, quite decent. For a Proline body, just look at it. Actually solid as well. It's absolutely fantastic, so I can't wait for that. So what colour do you reckon, guys? What colour do you reckon? Leave in the description what colour I reckon I should do it. What else did I wanting to ask you? Right, yeah, so I'm doing the magnetising. There was something else I had to want to ask you, but I can't remember. Another favour. No. Oh, right. Obviously I want to put guys in here as well, you know, like, leave the windows clear and put some, like, interior in it. So if anyone's got, like, an idea what interior should I go in there, can you leave that in the description as well? And if you've got a link, that'll be even better. Just to see what interior will fit in there, and I want to put a little man and all that stuff in it. So I've got loads of things to do with this. Honest to God, I'm so excited. I just babble on. I'm sorry, guys. You know what I'm like. Anyway, guys, I am sweating now. I'm sweating because of the lights. I've got lights on over there. Right, guys, so there it is, the Proline body. Right, I just hope you go onto EuroRc and have a little nose of what they've got. And I tell you what, this came within, what, a week. So the fantastic shipping as well. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoy me Babylon video. I'll do a video as well of my man cave soon as well to show you what I've got and all. That's not much, but it's what I've collected through the years. So anyway, guys, there you go. So that's the Proline body. That's part one, basically, isn't it? The unboxing. So thanks very much for watching, and love yous all. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your subscriptions. I really do love yous. Right, so please subscribe. You don't, it doesn't matter, but ring the bell or whatever it's called, the bell. And that's Tony's RC Tech out. That's Tony's RC Tech out. Boom!